What is an algorithm? An algorithm is a set of step-by-step instructions or rules designed to perform a specific task or solve a particular problem. It's like a recipe that tells you exactly what to do in order to achieve a desired outcome. Algorithms can be used in various fields such as mathematics, computer science, and everyday tasks. Today we will demonstrate an algorithm to replace batteries by simply taking you through the steps of replacing the batteries in a TV remote control. It's a simple process that anyone can do. Let's get started. Step 1. Identify the battery compartment by turning the remote over to find the battery compartment cover on the back. Step 2. Open the battery compartment, slide the cover off or press the latch depending on your remote model. Step 3. Remove the old batteries. Gently take out the old batteries and make sure to dispose of them properly. Step 4. Insert the new batteries. Always check the battery orientation inside the compartment, which is usually marked with a plus, plus, and minus sign. Step 5. Close the battery compartment. Slide the cover back on or snap it into place. Step 6. Test the remote. Point it at your TV and press any button to make sure it's working. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the batteries in a TV remote control and completed your first algorithm. Easy, right? Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI knowledge. Then pop over to Ai-Epicentre.com